Ghost in the doorway, soft on the threshold of my doubt, name written faintly in frost. I keep tracing with my mouth. You flicker in fragments, a tremor that never settles down. I'm counting the silence between every heartbeat, every sound. Luminary, you burn in the dark part of me, tiny and terrifying, a star where my scars used to be. Luminary, you stay when the daylight retreats, guide me, deny me, still I am falling at your feet. Ghost in the doorway, soft on the threshold of my doubt, name written faintly in frost. I keep tracing with my mouth. You flicker in fragments, a tremor that never settles down. I'm counting the silence between every heart.